Today I'm going to be walking you through some of the modifications done to this Ford Puma to make it the track toy that it is. People say Ford stands for fix or repair daily. Now I've had this car for a bit and it's actually only ever broken down twice. And that's nothing. I've had more breakdowns than that.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
Red sun strip keeps the sun out of my eyes and it's red, so it gives it 50 brake horsepower extra. Not true, is it? Semi-slick tire. Let's do it again. Semi-slick tires, extra grip, extra stick. Exactly what you need on the track. Bumper cutout airflow feed. Bumper cutout called airflow feed. Bumper cutout airflow feed, or cut out bumper. There's a hole in the bumper where the air goes in. Nice and cold, yeah, good for the engine. It goes into the airbox and into the engine, makes it better basically. Don't know the actual words to describe what this is, but that's what it is.
Look at these quick release bonnet pins. They're here for quick access to the bonnet for safety and just to make things easier. Look how easy it is. This is an aftermarket 421 exhaust manifold, meaning the exhaust gases go from 4 pipes to 2 pipes to 1 pipe. It's better for the engine and it gives a lovely raspy note. I think it's about time we actually got to drive in the car. I think I've covered pretty much everything. Oh wait, what engine size is it?
The engine's a 1.7 litre.
Thanks.
And that doesn't sound a lot. But remember, everything's been stripped out of an already light car. It's not got the top speed, definitely not. But acceleration-wise, great. Corner-wise, even better. Now the suspension's been lowered, just to give it that extra little bit of handling. I'm considering putting on coilovers, maybe adjustable coilovers, depending on where I end up taking it. Now it feels incredibly accurate, incredibly precise. Where you point it, it will go, and it will want to go there, absolutely. With no carpets or anything. You can hear every last thing. It's so good. It might not perform the way you want it on a high-speed track, but for smaller circuits it's ideal. You know, a lot of people take these on track days, a lot of people use these for autocross. That's something I might consider as well. Yeah, plenty to do with this car, definitely plenty to do.
That was just a very brief look around the track car. Now, if you like that style of video, please let me know in the comments and I'll make more of them. If you've got any other video ideas, feel free to let me know as well. I'll thank you for watching. Please check out the TikTok and the Instagram as well. All the links for that are in the bio. Remember, if you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you. See you soon.